Hey, this is Amanda. Yes, I just got out of the pool. And yeah, there is a new trend in the US right now, and that's masks. So even on YouTube, when I was looking at what was trending, there was a video on how to make your own mask. And this video literally got 1 million views in a day. And all over, I'm hearing people making their own masks, buying designed masks to match their outfits, and everywhere people are wearing masks. And it's kind of becoming like almost like you have to wear a mask. It's socially unacceptable not to wear a mask. It's trending in that way, definitely, which is very interesting for the US specifically, because before, if in other countries it was normal. If you're in other countries that I've been to, if you're sick, you wear a mask so you don't get other people sick. But here in the US, like, if you wore a mask out in public, you kind of like, many times you have a strange feeling like people are looking at you like you are severely contagious with some kind of terrible disease. Like, that's really how it felt. It did not feel comfortable or normal for people in the US to go out wearing masks. But now, with the whole coronavirus thing, it is starting to become a trend. And I just wanted to share that new trend with you because it's something I thought was kind of interesting going on. And I'm not really jumping on board with it. So, jumping on board is an idiom that means I'm not really joining the idea or the trend or the plan. I'm not on board with it because I haven't like bought masks or made masks or learned how to make masks. um, which it's not easy actually to find masks these days, like medical masks. So that's one reason why a lot of people are starting to make their own masks. And it's interesting to me that it's become kind of like a new fashion trend, and it's blowing up so much, and it's become not only socially acceptable in the US to wear a mask, but it's starting to become like, well, you really should. So I just wanted to share with a new idea of what's going on here in the US. Please post any questions or comments you have below and tell me, is the same thing happening in your country? And what do you see happening in your country as a result of the coronavirus? How are things changing? All right, I'm Amanda Lynn, and this is Speaking English Today, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.